Introducing the HG-ARs, an automated bending system that seamlessly integrates a 6-axis robot, automatic gripper changer, and automatic tool changer with patented Amada tooling. Each stage of the bending process, including tool loading, gripper exchange, and robotic bending, are all performed at fast speeds to achieve high levels of unmanned machine productivity. Every single component of the HG-ARs was engineered to deliver precise, repeatable bending results within this range of part specifications, from tool setup to finished part. The HG-ARs utilizes the same AMNC 3i control found on Amada's HG series, which accelerates the transition from a standalone press brake to a fully automated bending system. This fully integrated control features a large touchscreen and easily identifiable keys that allow program and machine adjustments to be performed efficiently. A 6-axis robot with a wide range of motion capabilities performs all part loading, bending, and unloading operations. The track mounting serves as a 7th axis for the robot and gives it the ability to process down bends, long parts, 2 sequential obtuse bends, and efficiently perform stage bending. Tracks are available in 3 different lengths to offer greater loading and unloading flexibility. The automatic gripper changer holds 9 grippers that vary in design and provide the robot with maximum part handling versatility. Vacuum, mechanical, and combination type grippers can handle small, complex parts to medium-sized panels and enclosures. The robot will automatically select a gripper based on the part program. An optional integrated loading camera system compensates for any misalignment during workpiece stacking and ensures that parts are picked up precisely by the robot. Amada's patented automatic tool changer ensures that tools are loaded quickly and precisely. It takes the ATC no more than 3 minutes to load even the most complex tool setup, allowing the system to go from job to job with very little operator intervention. Short tool changeover times and the flexibility of the HG-ARs allow fabricators to easily perform both small and large batch production through automated bending. The AR system features a high-speed 8-axis back gauge that utilizes potentiometers on the gauge fingers to ensure accurate flange dimensions. If parts are picked up slightly out of square, the back gauge and robot will automatically compensate for each bend. For critical part features, such as internal bends, the AR system is equipped with an X gauge to verify a part's lateral position on a tool station, resulting in a stable bending process and high-quality parts. An integrated bend sensor ensures consistent bend angles by compensating for any material springback due to thickness, grain direction, and hardness. All programming for the HG-ARs can be generated completely offline to maximize machine productivity. Amada's ARCam software produces all of the necessary robot movements by utilizing information from 2D files with bend lines or 3D part models. Additionally, a variety of part stacking patterns can be easily programmed to separate multiple jobs. The simplified design of the HG-ARs allows users to quickly and efficiently perform unmanned bending operations. With a multi-axis robot and automatic tool changer with patented Amada tooling, the HG-ARs has the flexibility to deliver high-mix, low-volume production. Visit us online to learn more about the HG-ARs and our full line of innovative manufacturing solutions.